Okay, good morning, all.
Good morning.
Uh,
Good morning.
I have finished at 4 chapters right now. Attendance also is well good. Am I audible? Arpita?
ಹೌದು ಶಿಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳಿಸ್
Okay. So 4 chapters I have finished. Now I have to go to the next chapter, like subtraction, first standard. I have to give still patterns. Patterns is still pending. One more topic is pending. After that, I'll be moving to the 5th chapter. So attendance is really good. We have interactive sessions also, and activity also they are doing, and even JNV also we are I am updating all the time. So I know Arpita also is there all the time guiding us. So anything else, Arpita, from our side? You have been
Yes,
noticing.
ma'am. One thing is we need to concentrate on activities,
Yeah.
especially with the class 1 and 2,
Uh,
hands-on activities for students, young minds,
okay.
right? Because that is how I think we can drag their interest and keep it, and also
Okay.
to know, to bring out the creativity, and also to understand whether they have really understood the concept or not.
Uh,
We need to focus more on hands-on activity with the items what they have at home itself.
yeah. Yeah.
So that
Yesterday,
is,
yesterday, first standard, second standard, I have sent you a few videos
yeah,
last week.
yeah,
Na?
yeah.
First
So
standard also one child have done. Again, I asked the others also to send the activity. I
yeah,
think maybe sending.
to involve and send the activity.
Yeah,
And
yeah, sure.
second thing is, I think a little bit of JNV interest is lost with class 1 and class 2. So I request you to, re-emphasize on that, and also number bonds.
Oh yeah, number bond JNV they are doing like worksheets only, but
Huh.
number bonds
And
now
that is
in
what,
shapes
as I was
is not.
discussing with you on the call yesterday, with the
Yeah, yeah.
JNV also, we need to be a little bit creative. Like currently, you are in shapes and patterns chapter. So,
Uh,
in shapes and patterns, what are the topics we have covered in JNV, like odd one out, series completion,
yeah,
figure
yeah.
matching?
Uh,
So, what else can I mean, the whole concept will be shapes and pattern only.
correct, correct.
But in that subtopics JNV, you can cover odd one out,
Yeah, yeah.
can cover
This
series
week I have
complete.
kept all the worksheets, three worksheets. I want to give
That is
Arpita
what,
all
ma'am,
the
as I was
attachments
telling,
can't
if
send
the
all.
concentration is not only on worksheets,
Mm-hmm.
on the activities, on
Yeah, yeah.
explaining, and can students present something about series completion or figure matching
Yeah,
or
that I have given Arpita. You must have seen it.
that
Yesterday's
is what.
class I have given that.
Yeah, but
Please,
that is what yesterday's class after discussing.
mm,
So that should happen constantly, I feel, because in
yeah,
class 1 and 2, hardly we are expecting just addition to be perfect and subtraction to be perfect from the student.
okay, okay.
Multiplication also, I think just the tables will be there. Class 3
Yes,
only
yes.
actual multiplication and division and all is starting. So
Okay.
I would like to suggest that reinforce more on number bonds. Number bonds
Okay.
should be so much into their brain and tip of the finger that immediately if we ask also anytime they should tell
Ah,
addition subtraction. So
okay.
than that I feel writing the numbers and all is given more importance. Writing the numbers, spellings and all they will practice, not an issue. But class 1 and 2, please give more concentration on number bonds.
Okay.
And also I feel the class preparation, ma'am, on OneNote, kindly
Ah,
prepare for your class ahead of time, and keep
yeah.
everything ready on OneNote. At least for one class, I'm not asking for 3 4 classes. But for all of us, I would like to personally suggest, let us keep one class ahead on OneNote. Like we shall put the date and what is your plan for that class. So that is important on OneNote, because OneNote, we uploaded lesson plans, we uploaded what and all chapters was done, and I feel like we are not using at all again. So that is not the purpose of OneNote, right? OneNote we have to use continuously, so that in that case, like what happened with you, if you forget the class, or if you are stuck with something, you know, that day you were stuck with rain or something outside.
Yeah.
So if those cases will happen also, you will have handily available and need not to think, you know, at the last moment. So at least some 3 to 4 days before, something like that, please plan accordingly. So that since the OneNote link is there with me and with principals and all, so you know, even we can have a track what is happening. So next, if it is coming to online class also, online class definitely the preparation is much more needed. So that is when this OneNote will play a big role, I feel personally, because since I'm doing that, I'm finding it very handy. What I'll do for the next class, my class is on Thursday, so max to max Tuesday or Monday, like that, I will prepare and keep it. So that is a kind of like tension free for me. I can easily forward it or copy and paste. Like when I say OneNote, mathisfun.com, math games, YouTube links, something like that. So I can concentrate on doubt clearation section in the particular class, and I can observe what students are doing and the attendance and all that thing. You know, at that moment what work is needed, I can concentrate on that if I have prepared for the class ahead of time. So
Oh,
especially for you, I would like to request you to, you know, please prepare for the class ahead of time and keep the things ready on OneNote, so that when I am also hovering over your OneNote, if I come across something, I can see and you know, suggest what and all
have
is.
you update date in that you want to you are coming to say,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
So like,
I have to update date in the OneNote now.
so what I
Okay.
meant is, I think I showed my OneNote, no? Let me just see once. Just
Actually, I'm writing everything in the book, but I have not updated the date. I
but
agree.
book thing, we will not get to know, no, ma'am. That is why.
Okay,
You're
okay.
able to see my screen?
So next week, what? Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So here in the, for example, in the, okay, multiplication chapter, I have just completed. In resources used, what I'll do, just 1 second, it is loading, the content is loading. See. So here I will put the date like this. So for
Okay,
my
okay.
15th class, so this
Hmm.
is the topic I'm going to take. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. And
Okay,
math
okay.
games link is this. And
Hmm.
for the practice question, see, multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, right? So I
Hmm.
will, what I'll do, I'll just copy like this. You can do Control C, come
Hmm.
back to WhatsApp and paste it. And
Okay, okay.
multiplication using number bonds. So
Uh-huh.
like this entire thing also I need to type as a WhatsApp message. Okay, so instead
Okay,
of that I have typed here and kept it ready.
okay.
So I'll copy and paste it. Multiplication using number bonds. Break the number bonds as learned before. See, for example, this is the thing, and this is the link which we have to, which I have to forward and solve these questions. This is the YouTube link, and after this they have to solve this and what methods, whatever. See, like this, and this is my CW. CW means this particular image I have taken from this OBS virtual textbook is there, right? So
Hmm.
from there I have copied and pasted this, cropped it.
Okay, okay.
And this is the classwork. So classwork indicates that I have to ask students, these problems has to be solved in classwork. And this
Hmm.
is the homework problems. So this
Okay.
is, I will give at the end of the thing. And again, JNV concept. So this is the JNV. So in one particular class itself, what is my plan? I will begin the class, I will forward it, YouTube videos and practice some questions, give the classwork, give the homework, and then complete JNV section. JNV, what am I doing? Incomplete figures. So in JNV incomplete figures, this is the image. So how to do it? This is the explanation. This is the problem figure example, and all this is the homework. So this completes my class. So from 15th, where I started from here till here. So this was my class. So if anybody sees my OneNote also, this is how they can understand, okay, on 15th, this was taken. And next coming to 22nd October. 22nd October, I started the division. What is division like this? So these are the problems I gave. And after watching, see, like how I type the message, no? Exactly like that only I have everything. After watching this video, solve this problem in homework.
Okay.
Classwork or homework. So 10 problems I have given. And this is my self-made content for the division. I was teaching division in a different method, which I had forwarded in the group, no? So that I have uploaded to YouTube and kept it ready.
Okay.
So like this. And this is my 29th class. Here, date. Like that. So if I put the date and keep it, anybody, whoever comes to my OneNote, they will understand. And for me also, whenever I'm giving test or something like that, no, than the textbook or WhatsApp group, I will just hover over my OneNote. So I will clearly understand, okay, these problems I have made them to give. So these problems were given. These problems are the example problems. So I will be so sure that, okay, these problems are already given. I can definitely give for my test. So from here itself, I will pick what is average and everything. This complete, and this is the mathisfun.com thing, and everything will be completed. So since the chapter is completed, maybe I'll write the end of the chapter. So this will be understood that this whatever I have done in my chapter is this much. So this is how I'm doing, and I would like to suggest you also to if you follow this, it will be helpful, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. I will update the dates. No issues. Because as if I am
No,
writing in
it
the
is
note.
not about updating dates. These were prepared before my class.
No. The next class I'm writing what I am going to take in the book. The same thing, do it in the OneNote. That's all I want.
Yes. That is what. See, the purpose of introducing OneNote by Shekhar sir was, suppose if for the future usage is first thing. Second thing, in case if somebody is not able to take the class, even in the school and all. So if we start cultivating this habit from right now, from this beginning, next year also, if the teacher is not coming, or one day if you are on leave or something, any teacher, even without the subject knowledge also, if they just go and open your OneNote, they will understand what were you supposed to do, what was your plan in this class.
Okay.
So I think this is the right time to cultivate all that habit before going to school, and make the things as much as ready as possible from our side.
Okay.
So, any thoughts on this, Rupa ma'am or Shalini?
No, Arpita, it is very nice. Really, I felt very happy to see, and really, we have put in a lot of effort. Even we will try to do in the same manner.
Yes,
Thank you for
because it is the two things, ma'am. It is helpful for us only,
yes,
like in
yeah.
case of emergency or something, not even emergency. Like
Correct.
let us be prepared for our class. And
Yes,
second thing, if anybody questions us, what is the plan and what have you thought and all, we can
yes.
just forward this link. Need not to
Yes.
explain each and everything, right?
Yeah, it is looking at this, it is fully explanatory. You can understand. The other person
Exactly.
can understand what we are doing. Yeah, yes,
Exactly. In fact,
correct.
I was
Clear picture
thinking,
is given.
in
Clear
fact,
picture is given. Yeah.
sorry, ma'am.
Clear picture is given as soon as
Yeah,
we
in
see.
fact, I was thinking, is there a way that we can include attendance also here itself, so that no need to break any head for attendance? I'm not sure where to include that. That is why I have still not included it. And in students' response, as usual, my test marks and all that thing, if I have conducted any test examination. Our students' response is something after the class, sample, 1-1. So see, this is the reminder, whatever I have taught in the division and all. So students response, what they have done after the class I have done. Students response will not have any dates or something. If needed, we can put the date. This was this class students response. I have not put currently. So this is how it is. So if we all start following this, I feel this will serve the purpose, if we are doing WhatsApp class also, or if it is in the online class also, everything will be ready. So please follow this, ma'am, Shilpa ma'am. So that the ahead of the class
Yes, sure,
preparation
sure,
will be
Arpita.
there. Yes, ma'am. So any particular update would you like
Yeah,
to
it
give?
was
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. I'm not sure whether it is only for me or for everyone.
I write and keep.
Ma'am, your voice is chopping down. I'm not able to catch you.
No issue.
Shilpa ma'am, your voice is chopping.
Arpita, Shilpa is telling she will update and do in the same manner. She's telling.
Okay,
That's
okay. Got it, ma'am. Got it, got it.
that's all. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So, any particular thing you would like to share with class 1 and 2, ma'am?
Nothing, Arpita. That's it. Because attendance also they are they are everyone are attending. Only 2 or 3 children.
Okay.
Rest all they will update in time,
Mm-hmm.
and they are doing following. No issues. I will take care of again JNV again, and
Number
even
bonds.
this number bonds.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
So, for
I will
every
take care of.
chapter, as we have told before, yes, ma'am. And one more thing, you were mentioning that I'm following the textbook. So,
Yeah.
not I exactly following textbook is needed.
Okay.
What I feel is, yes, definitely textbook, they might have planned very well, they might have prepared the content accordingly with so much of research. I agree.
Mm.
But when we do something like, for example, of your class only, I think you were dealing with 2D shapes, and then you felt
Yeah.
with you felt to
Curves
discuss
and
about straight lines and curved lines.
straight lines. Because I was following in OneNote. I have
Ah,
updated like that one as per the
ah,
textbook.
that is
Narmita.
what. That is
We
what
need
I just
and
took that
shapes,
example.
we need curves and all. So
I
to
just took that
follow that,
example.
I feel.
Yes, ma'am. So that is what, like last year, what we had discussed. See, when
Okay.
if it makes up, like for example, for me also, addition and subtraction chapter, addition was completely discussed, and then came with some problems, then came with subtraction. I
Yeah.
didn't do that. I completed addition and subtraction, and then came to the word problems.
Huh.
So here, the same thing I would like to suggest. When we are doing something, maybe let us put our thoughts. Let us not blindly follow the textbook. You
Okay.
know, like see, for anybody of us, I mean, we teachers, any teacher can tell that easily. First, the lines has to be taught, and then the shapes has to be taught.
Mm-hmm.
Lines,
Okay.
curved lines. So then you have to take up that link, that so straight lines and curved lines, see all these solid images or 2D images, whatever we are discussing. So that is
Mm-hmm.
made up of lines. No image is made with sorry, no shapes are made with curved lines. So that is
Yeah.
how we can take the link. Why do we need straight lines and curved lines like that?
Mm-hmm.
So plan accordingly, need not to follow the textbook blindly. And since it is online class, I think in the last meeting and all, even I have put up that point, and even Rupa ma'am have put up that point, which is very valid. So if we feel something is too much for students and they are not able to follow in online class,
Mm-hmm.
nobody is like stressing out. We need to complete it.
Okay.
We can gauge the student from students response, right? Okay, students are getting more confused with this, students are not
Yeah.
understanding this. Let us not put so much of force on students that if they're not understanding, in that exceptional case we might have to skip it. And when we are back to school, that time we have to concentrate. If it is very basic and students need to know it, then only we will do it. Or else in that matter also, following textbook blindly doesn't make sense, right? So
Oh,
that is what, when you are planning for the whole chapter itself, please plan accordingly what has to be taught first and
that's
what has
what
to be taught
Arpita.
next.
It was in the OneNote itself. So as per the textbook, I have done the OneNote. So one each topic I was covering. That
Yes,
was
ma'am.
there. Or else,
Ma'am, I think you are
I
telling the
agree.
same.
I
You
agree. What
didn't
you
get
said,
my
I agree.
point. That's what I'm telling. Need not to follow the textbook when
Okay.
coming up with the
Okay.
concepts. We as a
Okay.
teacher has to plan which concept, because see, especially for class 1 and 2, too much of mixture of concepts also their brains can't take.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Being in class, lively what they're writing, observing, doing
Uh,
activities, that is a different story. But here
correct.
we sitting this side and just giving off something in between, so they should not feel like why this see
Uh,
classroom. If you say that also, it makes sense because they all had textbook with them,
okay.
right? So now
Uh,
they don't have textbook also, they are completely relying on a teacher. What we are teaching,
okay.
that is everything for them.
Uh,
So we need to be in a very systematic and easy manner. Okay, in this chapter what have we done? Okay, at the end of the class maybe we have learned straight lines, curved lines, 2D shapes, and also the next level of 2D shapes is 3D shapes. You have to relate it, why it is called 3D shapes, ಯಾಕೆ 3D shapes ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, we can feel, touch and feel it. So that is the common language they all can understand. Just forwarding some video about 3D shapes, and that too, there was in 2D shapes there was parallelogram, that this and all in one of the video. So class 1, class 2 and all does not need it,
There
parallelogram
was a
meaning also.
YouTube video, and as per our math game also, we have so many pictures which are
Yes,
not
ma'am, in
related.
math game
Then
also
too,
there are,
sometimes we need to teach them
exactly,
just
that's
to
what.
have a view. I see.
No, just to have a view also without explaining directly forwarding them, they'll get more
Hmm.
confused. So we as a teacher, we need to curate the content. Online, n number of content will be there.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we need to curate the content, watch the video patiently before forwarding it to the students, and see whether all the content is relevant, especially with class 1 and 2. We can't tell, okay, in this parallelogram is there, please don't worry about parallelogram. If it is class 4 or 5, I understand they are like bit matured enough when compared to class 1 and 2, they will understand, ma'am this is not there, okay fine ma'am. But class 1 and 2 will not understand, they'll easily get confused, and it might stop their learning also. They might just feel, okay, ma'am is forwarding something which is not relevant, let me not see it at all. So online lot of contents will be there, even in the YouTube also. If only a portion of the video is important, you always know that youtube.startand.com is there, that software
Mhm.
we used to discuss for CK12 and all, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so in that youtube.startand.com, just pick the videos which you feel relevant and forward just that many minutes of video.
Okay, okay,
So that can be done, right? So I
okay,
agree. Sometimes
okay.
YouTube
That
video will be
I
so
will
good.
ask you later about that start,
Yeah,
and
YouTube
I
video
will
will be
just check
so
it.
good, but the partial content only will be relevant to us.
Okay,
So in
okay.
that case, let us just pick the video which is what we need and forward it. You know, students will not get confused with that. So,
Okay.
what is there in the textbook? Our job is to have more, put more thoughts, include our ideology and all that, and make the concepts clear. So, it
Mm.
should be very clear cut at the end of the chapter. This was this, and the next connection was taken here after the introduction of 2D shapes, and then
Okay,
I have given the 3D shapes. And while shifting
okay,
from
okay.
2D to 3D also, you need to relate. Like for example, circle, how what 3D shape is related to circle. Then what 3D shape is related to square. What 3D shape is related to rectangle. What is it called? So that matching of figures also is needed. See, in 2D, it is called square. In 3D, it is called cube. Like that.
Yeah, I have sent the worksheet. Yeah, I've sent that.
But your
Along with
explanation,
voice messages, I have sent.
yeah, so your own thing and your own voice, you will give more energy to the students, I feel. So please concentrate on that type of planning also, and keep
Okay, okay,
repeating number bonds and JNV, ma'am, for class 1 and 2.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. So class 3, Shalini.
Hi, Arpita.
Hi.
So actually, I have completed, like today it will complete multiplication.
Mhm.
Two-digit multiplication, I have already taught them. I have sent the video and they have sent me the answers back and all. I just want to make sure like they're okay with the word problems, like a very simple word problems.
That's what I would suggest. Give them some simple word problems, Shalini.
Yeah,
Being at home, no, difficult word problems and all will be too much for their head. So let them
only one line word problems.
exactly.
That one I will be explaining them today.
Correct.
And like that JNV, I have taken that missing piece of figure.
Okay.
I have given 3 worksheets for them and they have done it very well.
Okay. Yeah,
So
JNE thing is really going on good in your classes, I feel personally, because they are doing well and you're also giving importance for the JNV more. I felt like personally, which is good.
yeah. So I was just wanted to ask you like what should be the next topic like after that find the missing piece, what
Huh.
should be the next topic?
The list of topics was shared with
Y-
Shalini,
Yes, yes.
JNV. So if you have completed all the thing, then maybe the repetition or revision is needed. Or that book link I have sent you. See that
Yeah,
book.
I'm using that book only,
So just
Arpita.
go through the topics. If you feel that your students are done with the what list was sent and you can pick any particular topic from that book, please go ahead and pick up and start giving the basic ideas.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Okay.
And about the OneNote, I have updated all the things, whatever I have done till now.
Mhm. So
I
maybe
don't
the
think
preparation part, what we discussed today.
that I need to do.
Oh,
From next class, you will see that. You will see
oh,
those questions. I will do that. No
sure,
worries.
sure. Thanks. And activities, Shalini. So what are
Uh,
the things?
Actually, like I have given them some problems also, and I have told them like multiplication, they need to send the means multiplication table.
One more thing I wanted to ask about multiplication. Thanks for reminding. In the textbook, what I have seen, that is a really good method they have given. I'm not sure whether in class 3 textbook also they have given that, only that breakage of like using number bonds and all. Like for example, if 32 into 7 is there, so what in class 5 textbook they have given is 32 can be broken using number bonds as 30 and 2. So in multiplication, what they have thought is first I will multiply 30 into 7 and then 2 into 7. Then I will add.
Okay, and then we need to add.
Add. This
Okay,
is
that
what
is
the
not okay. That is not given, Arpita. I made them to do the tables, and I taught them like multiplication of by single digit, double digit, and also 10 and 100. Today, when I'm taking the word problems, I will make them to do this.
that is what. So do you think this method will be easy? I felt that this method is easy and I started following it.
Actually, it is easy because
Right.
they already know multiplying by 10 and 100. It is
Huh.
easy for them to multiply and add.
Exactly.
They already know that number bonding. So they
Exactly.
can add it very easily.
So three
I'll
things.
do this.
Yes, three things will happen here. One is reinforcement of number bonds. So they will understand why do we need number bonds, students. And second thing, as you mentioned, they already know about breaking of, multiplication with 10, which is very easy.
Yes, yes.
So any number, let it be 47 also, I will break it as 40 and 7. So 40 times something is easy. So and they need to just multiply the remaining 7 one. So 7 times 6, 7 times 9 is just, it is like a table. Still 2 to 9 tables, if they are thorough, they can do any sort of multiplication here.
Exactly.
So
I can
these
make
things
them
will
to
happen.
follow this.
Yes,
It will be easy.
Yeah, so if you follow, I think it will be easy for students also. Initially, they might feel a little bit difficult and too much of this thing. Maybe stepwise, if you explain, step number 1 is splitting using number bonds. Step number 2 is we need to multiply with tens and then multiply this thing. Step number 3 is adding both the result like this. So if you follow step 1, step 2, step 3, it will be helpful, I think. Hello.
Arpita, sorry, I did not know I'm speaking and it got muted.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. So I was telling like it will be very good for them to just revise and that number bonding they really know well. So
Yeah.
will be very easy for them. I'll reply this.
Correct. So step 1, step 2, step 3, if you follow follow, that will be helpful, I think.
It will be easy for them.
Anything else with particular to attendance or something?
No, attendance is really good. Most of the students are attending. Some are like from the beginning, those who are not attending, they are not attending. That's it.
Maybe because of different reasons, right? No
Yeah.
devices, or from beginning they are not attending for some reason. Now we can't reinforce. If some
Yes.
student have stopped attending, who was attending from the beginning or being irregular, then we can.
No, I followed them up. Like I asked, some students were not attending 1 or 2 classes. I'm just immediately asking them why, what is the reason and all. So that is so good. No worries.
Nice. And Shalini, one more suggestion. Do you really
Yep.
feel that still that 2 WhatsApp groups are needed, or?
No. Yesterday night I just dissolved one group.
Thank you. I didn't feel that. Sorry. So
Yeah, that's okay. I just dissolved one group and I thought only one group is fine. Actually, I forgot about the second group.
Oh.
Yesterday, when I was going through deleting unnecessary things, I got to see. So I just deleted.
Okay. Thank you, Shalini. Thank you. So class 4, ma'am, Rupa ma'am.
Hello. Yeah, class 4, I think multiplication I have completed, and division also I have completed. And in division, I have not done dividing by a 2-digit number.
Okay.
Because last year also, it was not necessary. Geeta ma'am had told that a 2-digit division is not required till 1 digit is enough.
Let them practice 1 digit and be perfect with that.
Thoroughly, yeah.
Yes.
So they know thoroughly, and even word problems also regarding 1 digit I have given for them. And I have given activity also. Division lesson, I gave an activity I saw in the YouTube, and I gave, and they have done the activity. Almost everybody, except a few children who are very weak in studies, or maybe they did not understand, they have done 2 different activities I had given. I think I have put that in math group.
Yeah, that division video I saw. I asked you to upload on YouTube and that video, no?
Yeah. Two types is there. One Raksha has done different way. I taught that also, and the other one is dividing, like 18 divided by 2. That one also I gave, and Raksha did putting that buttons also. So both the division, and I did what is there in textbook also. Math activity I have done for multiplication lesson also and division lesson also. And I have started multiples and factors. And multiples and factors, I have just started what are multiples and what are the first 5 multiples, first 6 multiples, how to find the multiples using number line. All that I gave them, and I have put all that in one note. I have.
Yes. And one more suggestion with multiples and factors is the main thing they will get confused is what is multiple and what is factors.
Yeah. So I have not gone to factors till now, only multiples. Today I have to start factors, but I have not started. I'm thinking I will do more thoroughly this multiples and then start factors.
And I would like to suggest you just give some keywords in common language which they can remember. Multiples, M means multiples. Multiples is nothing but multiplication. What we get.
Yes.
Something
That I
like
have told.
In your own way, like find something for multiples or something for factors, because that is one concept. Even today, if somebody will ask us, also probably we'll also get confused.
Correct.
So
No, that is there. I know that because last year when I took also from 3 years, I'm taking 4th standard maths now. So I know that every time when I go to factors, they will forget, ma'am, multiple factor ella vande alva bere they ask like that.
Correct.
So they have that confusion, I know. So I will do. And one more thing is, last class, no, I felt very unhappy. Most of the children didn't attend. And when I came to know Mantejas, Manish Gowda, okay, Mantejas, then Akul, so many children, no, around 4 to 5, they were telling they are not well. They have fever. So they have not attended.
Yeah, I keep hearing that in the last meeting, some of the meeting, high school students are also were telling corona cases are increased, ma'am.
Correct. I also felt very bad. I was asking, I then called their parents also after the class, and they told like that, Illa ma'am, jara bandide nammaguge, so they have not attended.
In that classes, no ma'am, immediately take a call and do the revision class. Please
no, I did not do.
New concept.
No, I did not do much that day. Actually, I did only finding the multiples and finding the multiples using number line. But I have not done much. I could have covered a lot. But I kept everything pending because most of the children were not there.
Yeah. Because give them some activity, give them some homework or worksheet like that. Please don't start, because already in online classes we are having less students. And again, if we start something new, most of the students will miss out the
Miss
concept.
it. Yeah, I know that. I know.
So
No,
in that,
actually, yeah, I gave that JNV, I gave something repeated only, like not repeated, new one, find the odd one out, different type it was. I had given that JNV. That I gave in the morning itself for them to do, which they will be doing. So that also most of them did not complete. The next day they have completed and shown to me. They have
Okay,
forwarded.
okay. So,
So,
Shalini, I would like to request one thing. Since JNV is
Yeah, Arpita.
very good with your class,
Hmm?
like if you are preparing any content, or if you feel any YouTube channel is, sorry, no, not channel, particular video is very relevant to start the basics of the concept, what JNV concept you are using, please do share with us, because that will be helpful for Rupa ma'am and probably
yeah,
me
yeah.
also in the group if you share.
Ha, ha, ha.
So
Correct.
class 3 and class 4 is not having much difference, I really
Yeah,
feel,
same it is.
with
Yeah, I
JNV. I mean, especially
Yeah,
with JNV. So if you can share with us, and even Rupa ma'am can start finding it out. So we can,
yeah.
use that content instead of, searching repeatedly or something like
Mhm.
that. So if you also make some video, self-made video also, just one image drawing and explaining them with the basic concepts, because class 3 and 4 not really with the JNV book level you will start, right? You will start in the basic and then move on to the JNV book level. So that
Yeah, yeah.
basic thing, if you can share anything which you feel can be used in other classes, it will be really helpful.
sure, I'll do that. No worries.
Okay. That's
Anything
all
else,
about, I
Rupa
think.
ma'am, with class 4?
Yeah, that's what I'm taking multiples and factors. That is, I think, fifth lesson. In that, I have to, I think, another one class I will take multiples only. And after that, they have a clarity about it. Today, I have actually, I will do. And what you
Did
told,
you
as you
also
said,
use number bonds in multiplication, ma'am?
I will tell. I will use
Okay.
multiplication. I will use. I have not used. I think for multiples and factors, number bond concept cannot be used for
Yeah, for
multiplication.
multiplication, for a previous chapter, maybe you missed
Huh.
out.
Multiplication chapter, I will use it. So little
Okay.
revision I will do. Today
Yeah.
I will do what you suggested, Shalini, that little revision I will do for multiplication.
Yes, I felt
And
that would be the easiest way for them for
yes,
multiplication, because, for example, 37 into 7 means it sounds something big. If you break it 30
correct.
into 7, they'll find it easy. 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49. They'll find it
Yes,
easy.
yes. I know, I know. I
So,
understood. I will do
yeah.
that revision. But
Okay.
anyway, multiples and chapters is multiplication all is little connected only. So I will do that. Number
Okay.
bond breaking and how to add. I will do that
Yeah,
revision.
the
And
same
I will,
request with you also, ma'am. Just keep emphasizing on number bonds and JNV and
okay.
activities. Or again, you're doing. So I'm happy with it. The activities part you're doing in your class.
Yeah.
So no comments on that.
Huh.
So just keep repeating with the number bonds and JNV concept, ma'am. That's
Okay. Definitely, definitely, Arpita.
okay. So yeah, to update about my class particularly, as you have seen, I have completed 3 chapters. I need to step into my 4th chapter. Before stepping into 4th chapter, I was thinking, should I have to follow the textbook order in chapter wise, or maybe see lot of just addition, subtraction, numbers, a lot of playing with numbers. So in class 5 we have some geometry concepts also, like shapes and patterns are there, and some other geometry concepts are there. I was thinking, should I have to just skip some chapters, go back to the something which is more interesting, more of pictures kind of chapter, and then shift to the multiples and factors concept. So this is how it is, and this is one more thing which I would like to suggest for you all also. Whenever you feel like lot of same type of concept is getting repeated, please see to the chapter which will drag their interest and which will be more interesting, which will be more activity based, and then come back to the numbers. Always seeing numbers, they might also feel like, what we are learning, same thing and all that. So in between, just switch the chapters, which is slightly, out of the daily routine, and then come back to the regular chapter, which can be done. So that is one thing I'm saying. And with regards to my class attendance nowadays, yeah, it is improvised, I felt. And who is not attending, they are not attending. who is attending actively, they are attending. So yeah, same thing like what Rupa ma'am and all said, whichever I feel like it is too much to teach them on the online class, like more of word problems, even in average and all. So the average concept, basic idea I have given. Too much of average with decimals, that, this and all, I'm not doing because I don't want them to get confused. So whatever multiplication, division and average in this concept, if these concepts are thorough with it, I'm happy. So I'm moving forward. So it is not like I'm not behind completing the chapters, but I'm concentrating more on JNV because this year class 5 has to take JNV examination. So I need to prepare them with mental ability a lot. So my plan is to complete JNV mental ability concepts in upcoming days as soon as possible and start revision of mental ability again. How much ever revision I can give, I need to give. So my concentration is on JNV mental ability thing is happening. Then yeah, class preparation, I think I have shared my OneNote. That is how I'm doing with the class preparation. Yeah, one more thing what I'm following in class 5 is, so if I have given any homework or assignment or some work or some activity, I'm listing out their names. Maybe I can show you my WhatsApp group or something. So what I'll do is, mm, yeah, so this is my group. So here what I'll do basically, just 1 second. So at the end of the class or something. So yeah, for two purposes, I opened my WhatsApp group. Let me tell you that. Okay. Yeah. So here, are you all able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, Arpita, we can
Yes,
see.
yes.
Thank you. So here, see the list of students. Sonu, Rishika, Ananya, Bhuvana, Srinidhi, Abhilash. So I will just list down the students' name like this and I will write. Good children, apart from this, nobody have submitted the work. I have something like I have marked absent or when are you going to submit. So here, this thing you can see in all my class next day or whichever day we have given to complete their work. No, so I will list down. This helps us to know which students have completed also, and this will encourage. See, after this many students have responded me, so this will encourage other students also. Okay, my name is not in the list, so that I need to work and all that. See, all this responses after that I got. So students are also, this is working out in my class. I'm just suggesting if it works out in your class also, please follow it so that we will also have a list and students will also understand, okay, they are making note of everything and all. This is one thing. Second thing, what I'm doing is, in the beginning of the class, whenever I want the attendance, I will keep the group open. So here I have given till 7:20 only you can give the attendance, and after that you can see the settings here. You are allowed only admins to send the groups in the send messages in the group. So here we have the settings in WhatsApp. Rupa ma'am and Shilpa ma'am, I hope you know, right? In the group settings you have settings, and then you can allow only admins or all the participants to send the message.
Yes, yes. I know that. I know.
Shilpa ma'am, you also know?
Yes, sir, Pita.
Okay, thank you. And I
think in
believe
the
Shalini
beginning
will
only,
take.
Arpita, you told me like this, you should do like that.
Oh, okay, okay.
You had
So
told me.
I will do like this, and then I will start my class. So whatever I want to share, the videos or anything such, so you can see no student's message will be there as an interruption in between. So I will forward everything. So I will ask them to practice whatever is there in the classwork and everything. So then when I want to ask them doubts, so if any doubts, please ask me, children. So that time I will change the settings again. So students can send me if they have any doubts. And again, after everything, so whenever I want, I'll change it. So this is helping me a lot because students cannot interrupt us in between, number one. And number two, like what Rupa ma'am said, if most of the students are absent for different reasons, they can always come back and check our message, check our class as a one particular thing, bulk messages, you know. So they can easily guess, because in between if we keep sending some video, especially when I'm recording myself video, it will take some time. I cannot just share like YouTube video immediately, so it will take some time, right? That time students will be sending okay ma'am, yes ma'am, okay ma'am, yes ma'am, and all. Now also they will send me personally, but the number of images are very less. Second thing, first thing, and second thing, the group looks neat. The group really will have some discipline by following this. So this is working out with me. In case if you all also feel this is helpful, you can also follow it. That is my one more suggestion.
Okay, okay, Arpita.
So yeah, that is the update from my class. And second thing, coming to online classes, what do you all feel? Will the online classes work with the primary thing?
For Chigru, I have not tried Chigru, Arpita. Actually,
Yeah, I
Shalini has
mean,
done, I think.
okay.
She knows.
No, I mean online. I'm not just promoting or just talking about classmate here. Online in
Classmate.
the sense, even the Zoom and
Google Meet, okay. Google Meet or Zoom, okay. But
mhm,
what is happening now, Arpita? In these small children, no, when I have taken Google Meet 2, 3 classes.
okay.
What they do, I like it.
Hmm.
They will be talking among themselves, Arpita. That I did not like.
But in Zoom, you can mute them, no, ma'am.
Zoom also and Google Meet also. No, I will be telling them you mute it. Again, they will open it and they will be talking among themselves. They will be asking, kapi kudaita, hal kudita idya. Like that, they'll be talking. That I did not like that day.
Okay, that I think we need again like classroom management. We need to
Yeah,
manage.
classroom. No, no. One class they were quiet. I scolded them. They were quiet actually. In the
When I
beginning,
was
it was like that. First class, they did like that. First class.
Okay, okay.
Arpita, when I was training them for some quiz and all, no, parents will feed at that time only.
Ah,
Everything happens.
oh, that
All
makes
this
me
disturbance.
interested.
The backside, they'll be talking, ladies, they'll be laughing at home.
Oh,
Many more disturbance I feel
Yeah,
like.
yeah. And what is happening now, Arpita? Even parents are coming. That day, that boy, no, no, Max Misso, that parent came and sat in front with the camera. I felt
That,
very odd. I told the boy, I will get up and go out now. I told like that.
uh-huh.
That is not good, no, actually. And the parents are just looking and seeing my face, what I am teaching.
Oh,
I
okay.
did not feel like teaching only. Then I told, I am not going to teach like this. I told somebody's parent. I don't know. I felt very bad. After that, that boy, okay, he told. Actually, I know we have to train them, but I don't know, 1 or 2 class they did like that. So I
No,
am
ma'am,
doing only WhatsApp
good
class.
that you both are sharing this, because we will make a list of all this, and maybe in the first class itself we will give them proper instructions. See, in WhatsApp class also, when we begun the WhatsApp class, lot of issues we faced, right?
Correct, correct. I know.
So today we are in much better position.
Uh,
So we ourselves have found some solution. We have instructed students and got it, and all that things are happening.
And
So
some
see,
children know, they say that net is not there. They're
hmm.
not able to hear my voice. Such things are also coming. In Google Meet
So
also. They were telling that day.
as I mentioned, WhatsApp group will be there.
Ha
So
ha
in
ha. I know.
WhatsApp only we will like for example, if you have showed some video to the student and they are not following it, and you can always tell that, okay children, now I have showed you once, I'll forward in the WhatsApp group. After the class again you go back and see.
No, 8th standard I'm doing like that only, Arpita.
Yeah.
I'm doing Google Meet only. Zoom or Google Meet I will do 8th standard. But
Ah.
there it is not a problem. I will do discussion. I will do screen sharing.
Yes,
All that I
ma'am.
am doing in
So
Google Meet.
all that things we need to find a solution. So these are the things that may occur in online classes, and these are my solutions. We have to be ready with it. Like that. So parents' involvement and discipline in the class is really an issue. We need to instruct them. Probably 1, 2, or 3 classes like that they will also get used to, and
Yeah.
they
No,
will
yeah,
start.
yeah. That is true.
Uh,
No,
for,
I have taken 3-4 classes in Google Meet.
For
Some
class
classes
4,
are good. It was very nice actually in the
class
beginning.
4
Then,
you mean? Class 4 you are talking about, ma'am?
class 4. Actually, no, that time when we had that for I think for Teachers' Day something. No, that was the quiz was
Correct.
there. No.
Correct.
So that time many classes I took in Google Meet for quiz. I was preparing. Only few children were there. No, so I used to take Google Meet and prepare
Okay.
the children.
Okay.
Then after that, 1 or 2 classes also I took multiplication lesson and even division lesson. 1 or 2 introduction of the lesson I did in Google Meet only.
Because even I feel there is a need of online class, especially for class 5. Why? Because no, it will reduce my this thing about lot of making self-made videos for me. Because to make them understand, like for example, multiplication or division concepts, which is not in the textbook, I'm recording my own videos and sending YouTube on YouTube platform. It is not available.
No, even I have also recorded and sent my videos for
So
making
if
them.
it is online class, I can teach them directly. So
You
that
can teach.
recording part at least will be reduced. In that case, I can record my meeting itself and share with them.
No,
And
I think it is okay. I will do Google
Huh.
Meet only. Now, henceforth, I will try to do Google Meet only so that even
So,
we will come
I
to
mean,
know.
let us wait for this thing, ma'am. Let us wait for the system in
Okay.
the group, like Vidyadan group. Maybe we'll have a word with principals and then move on. But from
Okay.
our side, I'm just making sure we all are on the same page. If we have to start
Okay.
online, or is there any issues that we can face, so that ahead of time we can think of solution and keep it ready.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So, Shilpa ma'am, especially with class 1 and 2, what do you feel students will be able to attend online classes, ma'am?
That's what I am also thinking, Arpita, because some parents come late after 20 to 30 minutes. When I start the class, so many children come, sorry ma'am, ivagappa bandru, late aitu, all these things keep happening. So I don't know how far it
And
will
one
be.
more thing, good that you reminded, if it is online class, I don't think so we can proceed more than half an hour to 40 minutes. So
Correct.
half an hour only continuously. In
Correct.
that case, maybe we can ask them to give the attendance before or do some revision from 7 to 7:30 and start the class at 7:30. If in your class really, if the parents are coming late and if that is an issue.
Yes, some, not all. Some parents come late, 7:30. So the child, sorry, they just put the message at that time. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, so then that is what. So we might have, I know it will be a double work, but still, as I mentioned, whatever the things we teach, if it is any YouTube video or image or math games link or something, then we might have to share in WhatsApp group also. You can
Yes.
tell them, I will share in WhatsApp group, and after the class, you all can go through that and have a glance once again, like that for few classes, maybe 2 or 3 classes, and then regularly there will be a discipline of students also to attend the class.
We have to check, Arpita, how is it
Yeah,
working.
correct. I agree with you.
I don't know about higher classes, but small children's, we need to first try once or
Correct.
twice. Then we
I
will
agree.
come to know how they are
I
attending
agree,
this
because the internet
result.
availability, and you need to first fix whatever you have suggested in the group, whether
Yeah.
Google Meet or Zoom or something, so that your students will be thorough with it, ma'am. Like,
Okay.
like few students, or for example in class 5, if all the teachers are taking on Zoom platform, and if
Yeah,
I
Zoom.
alone defer to take on Classmeet or Google Meet, students
Uh,
might feel difficult because everyone
correct,
will be
correct.
having Zoom app.
We
So
have Zoom app only. We will do it whatever we are using.
correct, correct.
Be
That is
easy.
why, we all have to think before
Yeah.
which will be the easy platform for ourselves, which will be the easy platform for teachers.
Uh,
Sorry, I mean the students and
okay.
all that, and we have to fix it so that in from the beginning itself we can give it training for students in that. Like, download
Okay.
this app, this is how you have to use and all. If
Correct.
one teacher will tell Classmate, the other teacher will tell Google Meet, the other teacher will come and tell Zoom, students will go mad. So
Correct.
instead of that, we need to have a coordination in one particular class, what other teachers are using, what I'm using, and we need to plan
Now
accordingly.
we all are using regularly Zoom only, no? So we can go for that Zoom only.
That's
So
what, ma'am. You can decide for your class 1 and 2, and you can, train your students.
okay, okay.
Okay. I mean,
Some
I
are,
don't mean that
some,
we need to start from
um,
tomorrow itself, that to inform students and to inform Zoom and all. Just you yourself have these thoughts in your mind, so that when it
yeah,
is said that we need to do online platform, let us not begin from square one. So we will have some sort of idea and some platform ready. That's what
okay,
I mean.
okay, okay.
Mm. So anything else, Shalini, from your side with online classes?
No, Arpita, I'm okay with any type of
You
classes.
feel
Like,
like class 3 will also take up the classes, right? No
yeah,
issue.
yeah, they will. No worries. I
Yeah,
can.
because I remember you
They
had,
already know how to
yeah,
attend the Zoom classes and all, so it is
yeah,
not
yeah,
a big
correct.
deal.
Because before this WhatsApp made compulsory, I remember you had taken 2 or 3 Zoom classes. Yes.
Yeah, so they know how to attend.
Okay, so I think from our side, nothing. So we have completed almost all the topic. So the last is mathisfun.com. So let me share my screen for that. And have a discussion about mathisfun.com. I hope my screen is shared.
Yes, Arpita, it is.
Okay, thank you. So, Rupa ma'am, so you were telling about, you need to know about more about mathisfun.com, no? So this is how it is. Like, for
Yes,
example,
yes. Uh,
mathisfun.com, this is the website. When you visit the website, this is how you will get home screen and everything. So here you can see number of options available and everything. So when you scroll down, actually there are some pages like teachers page and number chart. This number chart and all is much more helpful for class 1 and 2, I feel. So Shilpa ma'am, please use this. And there is a search option. So for example, I will search division. Rupa ma'am, I hope you're able to see, right?
yes, yes. I'm
Okay.
seeing.
So I have typed division here. So, and I will give this search option. This is how I do personally, and which I feel important. See, whatever is related to division, you will get options here. Long division animation, long division introduction, polynomials, long division, and everything. So here I just need simple division. I don't want long division for class 5. I will just choose division. I will click on that link, click division. So here I will get division is nothing but splitting into equal parts like that. So they have given all the explanation. What are the symbols used for division? What are the examples here and all that. See here, are you able to see now? It was 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So you can explain 12 marbles are there, like what activity you have done, no? That's the live session, that's it. So again, if you take 12 divided by 3, then 12 divided by 4. Are you seeing how the pebbles are moving, ma'am, marbles?
Yes, yes.
So 12 divided by 6. So the live thing will happen here. This is 36
Correct, correct.
like that. So opposite of multiplication, everything related to the division concepts you will get here. And
correct.
here multiplication tables is also there. So if you want, you can click on that. See here, this is the 12 times multiplication tables. Wherever you hover over, this will give the multiplication tables and everything. So name. So what are the names here? Dividend, divisor, and quotient. So like this, everything. At last, so there is one option called exercises. In exercises, division worksheets are there. So if you see division worksheets, are you able to see this page, ma'am? Because sometimes while sharing the screen, not all the screen will be shared. That's why I'm asking time and again.
Division worksheet, if you click it, you will get the worksheet, no?
Ma'am, here division worksheet one page is there. So you're not seeing that?
I saw.
So are you seeing primer plus and all?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, good. So primer means the answer range is 1 to 4. Primer plus up to 10. Getting tougher, all this. So here when you click on primer, see, I got the worksheets. So this is the simple.
In OneNote. You had pasted this in OneNote.
Exactly, correct. You got it. So this is the simple worksheet. So as I have told you about that cropping the picture or screenshot or something, right? So I will take the screenshot of this and paste it in OneNote. It will be like an image and students can try it.
Screenshot you are taking in mobile or in laptop only?
Mobile, laptop I will take generally. If you don't know how to take in laptop, you can take it on the mobile also, ma'am. No problem.
Arpita, this in laptop, no? In school laptop, we cannot take screenshot. My Ajay has tried it.
We can take.
No. Ajay tried it that day, my son. It did not.
I had told you about snipping tool, no?
Do that and show.
ರೂಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಆರೋ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Arpita, show just once now how to take that screenshot.
Man, that snipping tool will not be seen in the screen sharing. That is the problem. I'm doing it currently. I don't know whether
it is not visible, Arpita.
That is not
ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೂ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ರೂಪ, ಅದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋ ತರ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಲೀವ್. I'll record a video.
Record and send. I will see it. Okay.
Maybe on WhatsApp.
How to use snipping tool, how to take screenshot, all that you show. Okay.
So snipping tool. So I will get this thing like this. So say for example, I don't want all these 20 problems. I just need 10 problems.
So you can crop it.
So I'll just crop these 10 problems and paste it.
Okay.
Like that. So just see, I just selected division concept and I got everything whatever I want in division. See, division, this thing, what I will do, no, class 5 are little bit grown up. I'm not telling you have to use the same thing for class 3 and class 4. Here the link is there, right? So on the top, mathsfun.com numbers division HTML. So what I'll do, sometimes I'll copy this link. You're able to see the link, no, ma'am?
Yes, I can see the link here. Mathsfun.com number. Yes.
So here I will just copy it and paste it in my WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And I will ask my students to prepare the notes. They are doing it. They are used to now.
Okay.
If you want, you can also try that with class 4. So I will just share this link with them sometimes.
Okay.
Because if I don't share, no, all these things will be missed out. They cannot do this thing. So if I take the screenshot and send it, sometimes when I feel the content is too much and it is more for my class, I will take the screenshot and share.
Okay.
If I want, for example, I just need this much, I will take the screenshot and share only this much. And all the English also, whatever is there in mathsfun.com is much more simpler and relatable, I felt.
Okay.
So this is how I do, like symbols. I'll just take the screenshot of this and use it. And more example, they need to play. I cannot take the screenshot and share with them. Like that. So whatever multiplication tables, whichever is related. So I will share this link entirely. They will click on this link and they will make their own, they'll make their own notes out of it. what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, like that.
Okay, okay.
So these are the exercises division worksheets. And there is one more also. Here, if you two can solve question number 1 to question number 10. This concept, what you are seeing, you2 type. So these are all multiple choice questions. You can click on question number 1. These are all multiple thing. Like math games, no. This is multiple type. Which one of the following is incorrect? So here you can share this link. Sorry. Something happened. Yeah. Here you can share this link and copy and paste in your group. Ask them to try these questions. Which one of the following is incorrect? So they have to go through. Question number 2. Like that. So 10 questions of multiple choice, you will get it. So I just clicked on division concept. In the one single page, you saw, no, whatever is required for division, almost everything I got here only. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
We are seeing everything.
Yeah,
Yes.
and here in the right top corner, if you are seeing division and reminders. When I click on that division and reminders, what is division, what is reminder, and all that. See, here also this play with idea is there. Number of marbles you can select 20, and number of groups you want to 5. See, these are all like very lively thing, right? Especially in online classes, I think we can use this much more.
Correct, correct. Even children also will enjoy it, and
Correct.
we will also try. It will be really fun and
So,
educative
yes,
also.
yes. So go through this website and start using it, ma'am. Especially for me, it is serving my purpose like anything. Like
Okay.
two things I will rely on. Math is mathgames.com and Math is Fun and YouTube.
Okay.
That's all. I feel like that's all I need. Everything else, whatever I get, I'm getting from these 3 websites only. Math Games, Math is Fun, and YouTube. I'm not Googling much more things. Whenever since I have started using mathisfun.com, I'm not Googling much things at all. I'm just coming to this website. You name it, you will get whatever you want, like subtraction. Now I will take the help of subtraction. Quick subtraction is there. Subtraction by addition is there. Subtraction concept. I'll click on subtraction. What is subtraction? See, this can be used in class 1 also. So 5 apples are there, 2 are into mark, so that means 3. So here you can try yourself. See, 8 minus 0. If you select 1, this is getting blurred. 8 minus 2. Select 3, select 4, select 5, select 6, select 7, select all 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. So they will also understand what is subtraction. Shilpa ma'am, I hope you are getting.
Gone through. I've seen this.
Yeah. So maybe you have to start using it also. This is the table and everything. So subtraction means
in video classes I can go through, but I don't know in WhatsApp. I don't know how
you
to
can share. Yeah, in WhatsApp you cannot, ma'am. But these things you can share, right? Other names for subtraction is minus, less, difference, decrease. See, you remember in the classrooms we had pasted that math glossary, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So here only you are getting all the names, minus, less, subtraction, and all that.
Yes.
Like this. And one more thing, Rupa ma'am, I would like to share is, in case if you are not able to find anything here in the search option, there is this dictionary. Are you able to see this dictionary?
Yes.
Click on the dictionary from A to Z.
Alphabet is there.
Yes.
You can click.
Yes. For example, I clicked on letter D. So here, whatever the mathematical words related to D is there, everything you will get. From distance, duodecimal and decimal, decade, everything. So if I want something digit or digital or divide, you can also go division. See here, division, if you click, again it will take you to the
same thing will come.
Yes.
Same thing will
If you are not able to get like that, always dictionary will be there. There are some games. There are some puzzles. So here, So sometimes I have copied and pasted like shape puzzles. If you are dealing with shapes and patterns, there are some shape puzzles. See, this website is basically from pre-KG to higher grade mathematics. So our job is we need to curate and get the content which is related to our students age group, like that. There is a separate section for algebra, geometry, and all that. So the best way is just search here, go there in the one particular page, you will get everything. Shilpa ma'am, you were telling constantly there are videos in this, there are videos in this.
What you did know, I thought that only is video. You showed me all such
That
activities.
is an interactive.
Activities are ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ ಅದೇ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವ್ ಇವಾಗ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ,
ರೈಟ್,
ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್,
ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಷನ್.
ಹಾ
ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್.
ಯಾ ಅದೇ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Yes ma'am. So
we can do it ಅದೇ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ activity video type, I thought. Okay.
Yeah, so something like that. So see, some puzzle like this, no, I will post at the end of the class. This is something like a brain teaser for class 5 students. In this diagram, 11 matchsticks make 3 squares. Your challenge is to move 3 matches to show 2 squares. You know, this is at the end of the class, you can just post it and leave it, something like that. The fun factor. Here only you will get the solution also, no problem. See, this will be interesting, right, to share with class 3 and 4 at least.
Yes,
So
yes.
something like that you can try, and they will also be interested and all these things. So overall, I personally recommend to use this mathisfun.com like anything. It is having a very good resource and it is all free. So how many days ever it is free, we will start grab everything from that.
Arpita, this in Google Meet, if you take class, we can do this, everything we can show,
Yes,
no?
ma'am. In Google Meet, if you take class also, you can do it. Or you have to find a creative way. Even in WhatsApp, I'm using, no. So even in WhatsApp classes also, you can start using.
Yeah. As you told, we can share the link and allow the children, and we can also open and just see that.
Yeah. And also start sharing the screenshots, that's all.
Yeah, screenshot also we can show.
See, for this puzzle, I don't need to share the link. I will just share this much. This is the puzzle.
Yeah, copy paste you can do.
Yeah. So, yeah, I think I have covered everything from my side. So next meeting will be probably at the end of this month. Whatever we have discussed, I hope we all will follow it and make it successful. Anything else from your all side, we can do it, or we'll wind up the meeting.
That's all. That video you make and show, give Arpita.
Yeah, that I'll share, ma'am.
Only snipping tool, that's all.
Sure.
That is cropping and pasting. Other thing, everything I got, now there is clarity for me regarding Math is Fun also. And I will use it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else from Shilpa ma'am and Shalini and all?
No, Arpita, I'm fine with it.
Yeah, Arpita.
Thank you all. So shall we wind up the meeting then?
Yeah, Arpita.
Okay.
Okay. Take care. Have a good day. We all will follow, and thank you for all your good work.
Yeah, thank you, Arpita,
Thank
for
you,
guiding
Arpita.
us in
Bye.
all the ways.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye all of you.